Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this barbecue glazed jerk chicken. First I start out with the jerk marinade. I use spring onion, fresh ginger, scotch bonnet, garlic, thyme, onion, soy sauce or browning, sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, some allspice or pimento, lime, salt, and give this all a really good blend. You can blitz it in the food processor or use a hand blender. So here I have my chicken that's already prepared. I'm using chicken leg and thigh together. Season with some chicken seasoning, some jerk seasoning if you want to, a little bit of black pepper but this is optional, and then add on 3 tablespoons of that marinade. And then the same for the barbecue sauce, add in 3 tablespoons of the barbecue sauce. Marinate the chicken well, cover with cling film, or you can just leave in the fridge for a couple of hours. So then I line my baking tray with some foil. For the base, you just want to add some of that jerk marinade that you have left over and some barbecue sauce. Add to a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius. I cooked my chicken for about 45 minutes and then I put it underneath the grill between 5 to 10 minutes just so that it could crisp up and darken in colour. Just before you put the chicken under the grill, if it looks a little bit drier or like it needs a little bit of sheen, you can add over some barbecue sauce just to help with the glaze. This here is the final product, some barbecue jerk chicken. It's very sticky and glazed and it was absolutely delicious. You can pair this with some rice and peas, and I've got some coleslaw there and plantain on the side. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.